All right, in example 2, we want to find the solution set for the inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so I've graphed the line 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now in this case, I've shown it as a solid line because the points on the line satisfy the inequality. All right, so again, we know that this line divides the Cartesian coordinate plane into two parts. One side, the points are, we're going to get points where that when we put it into this equation, we get points that are greater than 6, and the other side, we get points that when we evaluate them, they're less than 6. All right, so again, now we've already kind of overanalyzed this this particular line, but if I did not know which side of the line to which portion of the plane to shade, I could just test a point. And again, like I said, 0, 0 is a really easy one. It's not always possible, particularly if your line goes through 0, 0, then that's not the best test point. But you just want to pick any point. 0, 0, I'm just choosing arbitrarily, but I could have chosen 7, 0 or 63, 42. I'm just choosing 0, 0 because it's easy. Because if I put it in to my function 2x plus 3y, right? Oops, 3y, but I'm going to replace y with 0. I want to put it into my inequality, and I want, oops, see, I know that this gives me 0. Now that I want to ask myself, is that greater than 6, right? So, and that's not true, right? So it's not greater than 6. So this is false. So that tells me that this point 0, 0 is not greater, and so I want the points on the other side. All right, I know I don't have to test another point on the other side. I just know automatically that if I picked a point on the wrong side, then the other side must be the correct side. So now I'm going to shade this region of the plane, this part of the plane. All right, and that is how I would indicate my solution set. It's this whole half plane. All right. So, and in this case, like I said before, I used a solid line instead of a dashed line because the points on the line are part of the solution set. So down here, there's a kind of a summary of how to graph linear inequalities. You draw the equation. You graph the equation. If you just replace the inequality with an equal sign, you graph that line. That's the dividing line. That's the line that divides the Cartesian coordinate plane into two parts. On one side, you're going to get points that make the equation true. On the other side, or make the inequality true. On the other side, they will not be true. All right, so you're just trying to find which half plane to shade. And so you just pick a point. If you happen to pick a point on the wrong side, well, then you know the opposite side is the side you want to shade. Okay? And that's basically it. That's how you find the solution set. I guess the only other thing, too, is that if the line is included in your solution, you make it solid. If the line is not included in your solution, then you make it a dashed line. So, all right. Well, that takes care of that example. I'll meet you in the next video.